Are you tired of sewing for long periods of time? Are those endless hours and days spent sewing with needle and thread causing you pain and frustration?
My hands! My hands!
The Singer sewing machine is here and it is better than ever as an improved version by Isaac Singer.
Look at that precision! Sewing is better than ever now thanks to the new rigid arm and vertical bar. You can now make pants for friends.
Thanks, Isaac Singer.
Sew letter embroidery?
Thanks, Isaac Singer.
When asked about this invention, our customers cannot hold back their gratitude.
Thanks, Isaac Singer. Thank you, Isaac Singer. Thanks, Isaac Singer. Thanks, Isaac Singer. Thanks, Isaac Singer. Thanks, Isaac Singer.
With only 2 easy payments of $25, the Singer sewing machine could be yours. But wait, there's more. If you telegraph right now, we will throw in an extra set of thread and a very authentic Charles T. Weissenthal needle. Telegraph today to Boston, MA. Singer sewing machine is not responsible for harm to the legs, arms, face, hands, and fingers. If you feel pain and discomfort in the eyes or lower back, seek medical attention immediately.
That's a zinger!